BSc in Systems and Network Administration. Hardware and networking is a vast field in India and even globally. It refers to the process of supplying data and information by linking the group of networks using hardware such as access points, networking cables, etc. To be more specific, hardware networking includes all peripherals, computers, interface cards, and other tools required for communications and data processing in a network. A degree in Systems and Network Administration gives students a competitive edge in the IT world. Their technical skills include the ability to construct a computer from scratch, as well as the implementation, management, and maintenance of computers and network, which is configured to optimize performance. A student pursuing this degree will develop the essential skills for the challenging field of computer systems and networks, including critical thinking skills and creative problem solving, computer assembly skills, hardware troubleshooting and repairs, network design, and network operating system implementation. It also includes remote infrastructure management, ethical hacking, and all this is done through technical and practical learning and hands-on experience. Every student will get grip with key areas such as communication technology, network implementation, computer architecture, and also explore factors influencing system performance and hardware requirements within the networked environment. The future trends in hardware and networking industry are very exciting and show a tremendous upward movement in the terms of application and demand. If we see the demand and supply proportion and the surveys conducted, reports show that in this industry, demand is more than the supply currently, and the demand in the coming years will be more than 4 to 5 times than the current requirement. This entire course is of 3 years duration, having 6 semesters. A student wanting to enter this field should essentially love computers and machines. He should enjoy opening up a machine and understanding the actual working of the mechanism. There is no specialized skill required to get into this field. Only the student needs to have a zeal to excel in this field of hardware and networking industry. But as per the present scenario, a student having a graduation in this field will have better prospects, better opportunities, and faster career growth. The career opportunities in this industry are technical and desktop support engineer, network support engineer, network administrator, system administrator, security administrator, project leader, system manager and IT head, CIO, which means Chief Information Officer, and the eligibility criteria for this particular 3-year degree program is any student who is 12th appeared or passed, or any 3-year diploma recognized by BTE and DOT. The documents which will be required for the admission is 10th standard pass mark sheet, 12th standard passed mark sheet, school leaving certificate, and 8 photographs.
The reason I've chose St. Angelos is because it provides great future, and St. Angelos is a very good name across all over Mumbai. So why not join there?
I am here in St. Angelos because my friends recommended, and this is great, this is awesome because it is giving us a great education according to the market scenario.
I love studying in here, the atmosphere is amazing and the faculties are too good.
The reason I chose this institution is because the faculty is very great over here. I have been doing my programming for last 2 years, and trust me, the faculty doesn't let me just do the assignments, but also lets me broaden my search by doing the things outside the assignments. Like if I happen to do some project, they don't say, why have you done this thing? They allow me, they say, okay fine, get your queries, get your problems to me, and they help me through it a lot. That's the reason St. Angelo rocks.
I prefer St. Angelos because the faculty here is very good and the environment is really student friendly.
The best thing over here is proper problem solving, and the faculty over here is very good.
Faculties are pretty informative and cooperative for each and everything.
Since 1993, we have trained more than 3 lakh students in various academic courses. St. Angelos is committed to provide quality and industry-oriented training. We have advanced computer training lab which enable us to deliver training on the latest software versions. Our unique facilities are lifetime practicals and course upgradations. This facility helps the student to upgrade technical skill even after completing the course with St. Angelos Professional Education. St. Angelos has in-house research and development team which keeps on evolving new ways of learning and teaching. As well as it constantly creates new projects for students for giving them the industry-oriented exposures.